So you're interested in knowing what I did to stop anxiety triggers. Well, you're thinking you can't do that because they're just kind of automatic and they just kind of come out of the blue and they just happen. Well, actually, that is kind of yes, but you actually can stop it. And so that is what I learned. So what did I do? I did a little 3-step thought process. And if you hang in here with me on this video, you're going to have done it yourself by the end of this 6-minute video. If you don't have the time to do it now, just hit the subscribe button so that you can come back to it and find me later on to do it. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do that little 3-step thought process right now. Because unlike when we're little, we are taught how to read, we are taught how to write, we are taught how to do math, to tie our shoes. But no one really taught us mental health skills. And so now you're about to learn some mental health skills, which may seem foreign, kind of like when you were little and they said you're going to learn to ride a bicycle. Ooh, kind of a little scary. But actually, once you learned, you can see that it's no big deal. And that now, even if you haven't biked in several years, you can still do it. And that's what you're going to learn about your brain. If you want to make your brain your best friend forever, you're going to learn how to master your emotions with a 3-step thought process, and it doesn't take long. What is even best is that after you train your brain manually to do this, it will then start to do it automatically. So this is a great technique on your self-care journey that you want to have in your hip pocket. So be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and also that bell notification so that you can get my updated videos. Each video will either help you to, in the moment, deal with something. They're the shorter videos, or the longer videos that are going to help you to get deep down into the source of where your emotion is coming from to silence it. So let's get started. We're going to do a in the moment video. I want you to think just a little bit about what may have irritated you today. And we're going to see how much you can get it to drop in how irritating it is. Are you ready? Here we go. Follow along. Don't just watch.
This is the right place for you. This is the right place for me. This is the right place for dreams. This is the right place to be alive, to be free, to live a dream, to feel that you're real.
How did it feel? How did you do? Did you notice your emotion dropping when you thought about what used to irritate you? It wasn't as much. This is what you can train your brain to do for you all the time. And soon it will not even react so that you have to drop it down. If this is interesting to you, you know what you got to do. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, and make sure you share and pay it forward.